Did everybody today again the next video again the company work today again man go man see that again half hour there now yeah man yo you don't know so me get a call yesterday from Flo you see me call me and I say oh good morning you see me you've won an Android phone with $20,000 in cash then I call on him I hear me name all now you see me so I say okay are you near any cash pot shop? so me say one day right down your road, I don't know what the distance but they close. He say okay. Go if you go to a cash pot shop and give cashier your phone. Me say I say alright. Ask if me have ID too, I say, yeah, me have ID man. Alright. Tell me some figure on floor office. Monday morning my ID. If me know no floor. So me say, me know one number me don't know about the street name, but me know where it is. It's alright. Got floor office with my ID Monday morning. So me say, okay. It's alright. He asks if me have a car. Me say, hey, me have a car. So then it's alright then. Go down to cash pot shop. No, but this ain't got my phone. They try to scam me.
I said, been there and doing that. Where am I talking?
Oh, fuck. It's supposed to go around with power, you know.
No, you know your name.
No, I don't hear my name, brother.
No, not even Mr. Akeem Cakes.
What me do for win 20,000 cash on Android phone?
But you have to figure out cash back, eh?
Eh.
So, yo, them not price too low for me, fine. Not got them the shot, them not tired.
I credit the dog and pick up and send give me
Yeah,
now.
I'm sending now.
From hang up on the dog, I didn't even hear him call back. Normally, them people that call you 3 times, you know. Yeah, man, is a man. And the dog got twang too, you know. Yeah, man, dog got twang. That's just cutting down the road there. Yeah, a green ticket dog I come from, man. That's why him say, tell you. Because the dog went in there, you know. The dog saying they are green ticket. No, he saying they are stoplight forward. So me say, stoplight, we can't stoplight. Because all of us stoplight on the road, you know. So it's a green stick, I say green stick. Nah, man, a green with the talk about, man. Man's a green stick, brother. So I say, no, man, a green with the place name, brethren. Man, so we are there in the Sunday morning and read a green stick.
Oh, I'm telling you, yeah, so smoke in and that's a green stick.
Yeah, so me get you know come from reach for the work.
How are you, dad?
How many years old you?
Oh, there's so. I want to tell man, listen, man, don't jelly pass it.
You have a family, you're not a soldier in our region. You think a soldier up there, so you're talking. Come here, when the soldier start selling weed. If you go drop I think they go drop one. Christy!
All the fans are all on the knock home, that's how I mean. Yeah. Yeah.
What can you reach the average?
Take long for come, sir.
Chris, I say, the average guys, you can share out them driving now.
Oh, because
Share on average. Step too high as we step up Courtney. If you ain't tell me, say you know, let go get more than drive to you, we have to pick you up and make come and return. So already, men already, but we can't Courtney now, say, no good on a Batman. Can me say no pick up.
yeah, we have video here, yeah, do you know.
Everybody quote you come out the bus. You know, come out the bus. Watcha? Now let's sleep. We're not plan to come out the bus.
Mash up at one man. Me mash up at one man, so a big one then left.
Christy, you're not come out the bus.
Chrissy, come out of the bus.
And then after you see me,
No.
Let's see I go on Delhi. Why Delhi? They are going last on your phone, Virgin. Go on.
And download it now. Yo, this phone is a disgrace, you know, you can't get any type of phone like that. You know me?
That is a phone, sir.
Yeah.
We now make safe the police and soldier and government. We
Which is
can
right.
live.
Which is right.
Oh, what you say I go there? Make some tea.
I talk about that before that 29%.
What you want to your phone at that time
Yo,
when
my
you?
phone plug in there, but
Brother, you can't tell me your phone not charge 8 hours, brother.
at 12 o'clock then time I'm plug in. I said my phone I'll show me 21 hours. How much I need that to
Your phone has shaved 21 hours.
Yes, I ready to explore. What's the explore?
Hey, this one, yo, man, like how your brain working at that.
Explore some time. Straight from the video mobile.
Oh, my, you never drop in your stomach, yo. Who? Who that? Oh. Morning. Hello, Nina Pat. Hello, Nina.
Tea coffee here.
You follow me, man.
Yeah, fashion man.
Yeah, man, you follow me.
The last review.
That's how I cook. Where's your meal already?
No bake them big man after.
Porridge.
No, you don't drink porridge. You
I'm
don't
going to drink porridge. Me not no teeth.
Apart you don't make
So
what?
want porridge.
Apart you don't make what? And I say ask me about porridge. Let me see.
Porridge now, okay.
As soon as midweek began, you know, we go.
That's just come.
Alright everybody, so I'm at desk right now. And I'm up on this duty today. So I'm going to do zip line and I'm going to be at the desk because short on photographers. So yeah, that's have to do. You have to do, you know. And there's one more thing, you see, if anybody, if you're in a little pot or pencil, no, I'm not a pencil. If you're in a little pot, or just in a mobile region or anyway, but you can use rush time shipping. If you want a good shipping address, use rush time shipping. Them good because them do deliveries and them fast and they are really affordable. I like them man because them convenient. You know, imagine you're there, you know, it's like a little foreign experience, you know. Yeah, man, you add that thing, you have to get ready going at town or wherever you're shipping, your shipping company there. Get ready going at town and come more there, you don't really feel like going away, you know. Yeah, man, just link rush time shipping, man. Anywhere they didn't care package come here. That me like. Deliveries, you know. Yeah, man, that rate with them, man. Link go there in the description. First time shipping and you can sign up. The sign up is free. Sign up free and all of that. You see me? Sign up and get the shipping address same time you can ship same time with them. Yeah, man. Alright, so alright, man. Photo book. It sounds like you're jealous, so. I say I go on family.
Yeah, they have a piece of right to get on that we feel.
For?
Because we don't come out with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we go take it because we know so we dip there and we don't come.
Yeah, I'm glad we not getting right up.
As it was verbal wrong.
I'm tired.
Nah, give me a take.
I want him soda water.
Soda water. You know.
Some make Esteban that.
Yes, bad though. It's good for you.
Some make Esteban soda. What make Esteban soda?
Soda water.
A soda's that, you know?
Oh, when the right up in front of us.
Somebody can't spell. Yeah, man, let's go. No, they have a reason.
We have a reason, but right is right and wrong is wrong. Which we did there, is it? We did me done run as a reason and I said if one hour we did just text her before the day and ask her for the day she would right with you. But we text on the day which that day nobody never did it for report. So we just take the right up and call it a day, just a verbal warning. Just sign it right up and call it a day.
Just take it and call it a day.
Around 3 times you see one of them day but then
Just take it right up and call it a day, Batman. You know what you do wrong. Me and you know what we do wrong.
your phone no good, I said.
Your phone no good. You only make it bad for yourself, bad man. Can they go argue with you?
I'll want to go and I'm glad me not get the right of it.
Bad man. You never call, you never tell him say you want it there. He am on the text now. Not available today, like him running company. So I say Samir text back and say something, say like him say who was this communicated to, but he delete it back.
Yo.
So me I say, I saw this man here text I say now come and work when he know should I there work. You know he did have to give no reason but how he sending it.
Yeah man,
Not available today.
Yeah man, the dog say that state's turn to, you know, not available today.
Not available today. So me I say, no man.
Yeah,
So same time I pull up his schedule, Mrs. Akeem no day work either.
Where see? No, I'm a day off.
Mrs. Say a day off, so Mrs. Say no day work. So me I say, oh,
Yeah,
so how
Delhi.
we get right up tomorrow, you know.
Delhi. What I go on about your so?
right now.
Ash, can you catch that, man?
I want to know see everybody so. Imaki, I want.
Right now, I'm going to take that one and go with it.
What is this? What is this?
Eel.
So they can't shock. Why we shock? I'm not shock.
We don't shock. We don't shock.
eel, so me think he a shot.
A two different deal.
Yo,
I didn't know that.
You see a river and you see it already, man.
come here, give us this to go and cook. Hey,
Yeah, Tony.
hey.
One time I catch one of them.
Hey, pizza. Yeah, man. A long time I don't see them size there.
No, see, you see me a jump.
Yo, when me
I'm Francis.
Yeah. You're raw, man.
So it's off.
Yeah, it tastes good enough for me.
I'll
be a flesh up on them.
All that, make one rocky and the night right now so me not chop up in a file paper.
Brother, did you feel like a jello?
Yo,
In a rado.
Begin about treat, begin about...
Yeah, man, to the field.
Where?
To the field festive.
You know.
I say I go on now.
Hey, what's
I'll
up?
be at them all running along. I'll be a fresh water.
Having a good day so far?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a wonderful one.
I see it, man.
Yeah.
How are they more?
And relax the more. Relax, man. I mean.
We've been round here and argue with the woman and the woman said, listen. Can't take off cat.
Yo, what going on?
It's up around for the morning now. Show around in our mind.
Yo, I'll go on now. That tree tell you that's the right up for this one. Yo.
I worry about right up. I written right up if I worry about written warning. Worry about the written one. That's when I get the right up and you see written on the top.
I'm not that dangerous one.
Don't worry about the verbal. The verbal, they want this a one.
Yeah, man, I'll start them attack. Yeah, It's when yo.
I like to pay for the community.
It's when they say written up by top. Yeah, man, you know what's like that.
Fret, man. You just know say after I written you do nothing else like get a suspension. You know say if you get the suspension you do nothing again, chip your yard.
Yeah, man. That's how it go, man. So play nice, you see me?
Tell me, I like play nice, man. So, man. Yo, I like surrender to people, you know. Okay, that.
Hey, you see time me did it, you know. Before me go up on the road, you see, you know, me did in my bed, I watch 2 cartoons and me go see. Not available today, but me a please say, yo, I told me must have go text and I say me now.
So I'm going to go on the line today, but I'm going to go on the line. I'm going to sit them up there, so. And take a zip line and come down. Come here, the zip line today. They even started and some and go on. I'd like it roll long. Yes, no, go up the stairs. Waterfall down there, so. Waterfall on the pool. See everybody down there, so come. Everybody down there, so. One heap of zip line. I look like more than a 40 years you've got to take an idea. God. I'm on the way forward up still. Yo, see stairs me just walk come out there. I'm on stairs are long still, you know. But yeah, man. Not a fan of heights?
No, I don't have a problem with heights, just keep going back there.
Yeah, just keep going. I guess you catch me afraid I come off our line. The circle still enough for them catch me afraid and come off our line. First time I go up on the line and look down and go, everybody look hands to me, and I understand why I come off our line. And the zip line are high. Yeah, zip over building them sitting. I like how it's needed. But that's it today's vlog. So just don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See the next video them will come out and you can see them turn on post notifications so anytime upload you get a notification on your phone. Say yeah, you understand. So hope you like today's videos guys. Or today's video. Yeah. I don't know I think it already. So next time.